How to enable notifications in Microsoft Teams. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'll show you how to enable and manage notifications in Microsoft Teams so you never miss an important message or meeting. So first things first, open up Microsoft Teams and then go to the bell-like icon in the left hand, and then this will open something like this, and you need to go to the gear icon and you can see notifications and activity. So here you will see option that says mute all notifications except for calls and meetings. So if it is toggled on, then you will need to toggle it off to enable the notifications. Similarly, you'll see multiple notification settings for chats, mentions, meetings, calls, and more. So you can see the sound option. If you want to play sounds with notifications, just tap on it and put a check mark. Similarly, you can change the sound if you want to. And then you can choose to play sounds with incoming calls, a request to join, and meeting that starts notifications. If you want notifications for all, just tap on it to put a check mark. And then you will be notified for every uh, every activity in the Microsoft Teams. Similarly, you can scroll down and toggle on the notification for community invites, community posts, and similarly, you can choose what kind of notifications you want for chat message notifications. You can choose to show in banner or turn it off. You can do that with mentions as well, and likes and reactions as well. And then you can change the notifications for your meetings as well. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.